of RWBY. We're here with the final 2 episodes of Volume 2, and we're gonna get straight into it. I'm here with the bestie Coma as we binge through the series. I have already seen RWBY up until the recent season. I haven't seen the newest volume yet. So for me, it's a refresher. For Coma, he's blind reacting. It's his first time seeing it, and I love dragging my friends into series that I love. So hey, before we get started, you know what to do, Shotty. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below to feed the algorithm quads. Check us out on Patreon at Aliciaxlife. You're currently watching Aliciaxdeath, the YouTube channel. Aliciaxlife is the Patreon for early access to these reactions. Anyways, let's get into it. And now we do the opening again, because it's the final time before the new one comes. I don't want to hear the stupid loud Rooster Teeth thing. Okay.
That shit is loud as hell.
Yeah, I don't want to deal with that.
The sound is better on Amazon.
Yeah.
God damn. Does Crunchyroll not even like think about balancing a little bit? Kind of wild.
Crunchyroll just hates us.
Hey, fuck him.
Think we're ready.
I keep thinking that. Thank God that no one dies this season. We're good. We're chilling. Thank God.
Or do they?
No.
The finale's coming, bestie.
Yeah. Sure. Next season, please. Don't touch my boy Osmond, please.
Uh-oh.
Please. I just started to like him. No.
Wow, you are much more manageable without that oversized gardening tool of yours.
Goddamn. Kind of a savage for that. The thumbs up is crazy.
Good job, boss. Oh, you thought I had my semblance gang, huh? Come here.
Ain't no goddamn.
No way.
What in the? Man, if I did, man, I would feel like shit if my semblance was speed and I didn't dodge that.
Yeah, I'm like, you ain't gonna move or something? Like, use that the pedal thing again one more time. Come on.
Come on, man.
Not a one-time use ability.
Not through here yet.
Oh.
What the? Perry, if you and the boys can take care of that,
It'd be nice.
In the middle of something.
Yes, sir, boss.
That goofy ass motherfucker in his hat and the dog coming around the corner.
Wait, what? What is it?
Look at
Oh yeah.
Look at these motherfuckers rounding the corner.
Like, no way. The corgi is insane to run from the corgi. I ain't gonna lie. We got him. Finally, the dodge. Wait, why are you gonna break your weapon?
I'm sorry, you fast enough to dodge bullets, but you're not fast enough to dodge the damn
cane.
The damn cane.
Yeah. I'm not gonna say anything about that one.
We're starting to train, but we're not finished.
Damn.
Or you're finished.
Damn. What did Perry do?
Damn.
Uh-oh. Damn. Ooh. I don't know about that one, gang.
All right, bestie, I hate to break it to you. I think they are still leaving.
Yeah, they cleared them tunnels out, B. No brakes.
Yeah, this is the episode title, yeah?
Yeah, they're gone, buddy. You're in a tunnel underground. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we corny. Let's go.
Oh, no.
Man, animals, every one of them.
Hey, yo.
You though, you're great.
Hey, yo.
The actual
Just saying.
racist, bro. The actual racist.
Animals.
Don't actually my best friend. Actually, my sister's dating a
A gorilla.
faunus.
She's good. Yeah, she's dating gorilla faunus, actually. You
Yeah,
didn't know
yeah,
that.
yeah. So it's so I'm clearly cool with it, you know.
I'm not racist, I swear.
I'm not racist. It's just, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like, don't get it twisted.
Oh, I got a bomb.
She pointed at me. She pointed at me. We got
Hey.
baddies. Get it, best
Hey.
friend. Sorry.
I'm over here dancing to my shit.
I was too.
Expect them to go.
Oh, not them armor that explode.
Time to go. Blake, the caboose. It'll kill us all.
Defuse that bomb.
Girl, you've been here doing that before. What the fuck?
Oh. Oh. No, he got. Oh, that's crazy.
Oh, bombs on bombs on bombs.
Yeah. Crazy. Woo!
That dog pull up too.
Damn. Good. The fact you use the thing as a momentum is crazy too.
Oh, I love it so much.
He's like boom, 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 boom. Oh my. Yeah. Oh no.
Yeah. Yep.
Oh my god.
Do you remember
Oh
where
my
the subway
God.
station leads to? Do you remember where it leads
The
to?
Grim, the big tomb. Oh no.
We came from the big tomb. Where does it lead to? Do you remember?
The city? The big,
Yep. The inner city.
oh, we're cooked.
He's leading Grim to the city.
What?
Cars. They detach and explode, creating openings for the Grim.
That's insane.
Damn. No Courtney line for you.
I am cooked. Oh my god. What? Boy turned to Master Roshi. Ah! Nah. What? Am I tweaking? What the fuck did he just do? This motherfucker just hit the dog into outer space like a baseball. What? Hey, yo, Professor Oobleck is him. Yeah, he got it. Yeah,
He got
my fault,
it.
gang. My fault. I didn't know. I wasn't familiar with that shit.
Don't forget, he's a professional huntsman.
He ain't no slouch.
Hold on, she got upgrades. She got weapon upgrades.
Oh.
She got new dust in her weapons.
Oh no. Neapolitan, you. I ain't gonna lie, y'all about to get cooked. You got that 2D, 3D animation shit going on with her.
She said She literally short.
What is this? What is this Yuri love right here? No way.
Ooh!
Damn. Ooh. Damn.
God damn.
Damn. She was dodging all them shits. She not even on the offensive. She got that jujitsu ass. Woo!
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god, she is cooking her.
It's not even close.
There's no hits being.
Oh,
Oh, nah, this
no.
is disrespectful.
She posed
this
on
is
you. Oh,
She
no.
said,
She
what you
hit,
gonna do about it?
she hit the taunt mid-match, bro. She hit the taunt mid-match.
Damn.
Oh.
Damn. Jesus. Woo! Chainsaw man.
Holy God. Chainsaw.
Yeah,
Chainsaw.
Oh, they all got battles. Oh. Well, what if her old nemesis? Ooh.
Oh, his voice is kind of crazy.
Get a snee. Okay.
Oh, hold on, I got this. Finally, I get to kill a snee.
Oh, it's
I
like him.
He's so cheeky.
I like him.
Yeah.
She better not. Ooh,
Ooh, upgrade.
W after midget.
Yeah.
Can your semblance be anything really?
Well, for her, she's infusing her semblance with the dust that. So it kind of depends. Like you have capabilities to infuse it with things depending on what it is. But for example, like you couldn't really do that with Pyrrhus because hers is polarity, right?
Yeah,
But it's still like super OP.
for sure.
Woohoo!
Gotcha.
God damn!
He's chilling, bro. We're not. All right, Wise. Oh,
Woo!
damn.
God damn!
God damn. Oh my god. What is this dodge? Hooking him up. Oh my god.
Oh, get it, girl! You graceful.
Woo! Oh my god. I feel like she plays like she like moves like Ivy from fucking Soul Calibur a little bit. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know why. Oh, you're getting cooked first.
Oh,
What?
Virgil!
No way. Oh, she is. Oh my god. Damn.
Okay, speaking of fighting games, he literally said, "Come here," and that shit gave me. Oh, he's a grappler. He's a grappler.
No, what a chain, what a weapon.
No!
Oh, God. He grabbed her out the air is insane. He said, come here. Come here. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god. Thank God it cut because I was getting scared.
Oh.
Right, yeah, you gotta G up on her. Nice little throw, but she reversed that motherfucker.
Yeah, she is chilling.
What? Oh my god, Lily ass playstyle.
She's vibing. Holy.
Kind of bad though too.
She got that swivel.
So, what are we gonna do now? Do you really think a little bow on top is gonna make people forget what you were? What you've done?
What have you done? No way, why? The grappler really cooked.
Honestly, W.
that.
W knockout.
Oh, she got an actual sword? Who is that? Who? What, a mask too? Who the fuck are you? There's a new ass character. Oh my god, she got look at that sword with the desk. Oh my, she looks tough as a bitch. Oh yeah, she about to go crazy. Mommy? Oh, she got bitch? No way. She got that rivers of blood from Elden Ring. What the dimensional portal? My daughter. Mom? 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 Mommy?
Aw.
Mysterious ass woman.
Oh, she's such a bad bitch, though.
I don't know who
Oh!
you are, but you know, we're gonna find out later. Hey yo, honestly, none of nobody got cooked by it. Don't get cooked by this robot, bro. Woo! Ah!
Woo!
You go on ahead.
No, Osmond, please chill. You cannot take off.
I teach them a lesson.
Chill out. Chill out. Osmond! Girl, stop the train. Ice. Mmm. That's not what I thought was gonna happen at all. I'm
No,
kind of dumb.
you thought they were gonna stop it. Yeah, that's fair.
Yeah, so I was like, yo, stop it. I was like, ooh, are we outside for it? Ooh,
Hey, we're in the city.
oh my god.
Yeah.
Oh, we're fucked. Oh god, no, they're trying to start another tragedy. Oh, we're cooked. We're so cooked. Run, niggas! There's like 30. Stop looking stupid. This don't look safe. Oh no, Lord!
Yeah.
Oh my god, yeah, he's getting cooked. Yeah, another tragedy starts. Oh shit!
Yep.
About to abandon the city. Vale about to be destroyed. God, this is worse than the festival. Nigga, y'all gotta, yeah, help somebody, please. What's going on? Oh God, is this how the season ends?
This is X-Ray and Gavin. Oh, did they not? Oh, they didn't do preview. Okay. Yeah. I think there's one more. Yeah. Breach. Don't worry. Season's not over yet. Season's ending now, though. Ready, buddy? Final episode of the volume. Are you ready? Just crying.
What's going on? Of course, this motherfucker always sleep. Get this nigga out of my face.
I thought we liked him. Hey, I thought you liked him now. Now that he put on the dress.
I still got some. I mean, you're right. He's still cool, I guess. But you know, I still gotta.
He
I gotta
developed.
leave me a hate for him. He is developing. I just.
You're like, let me still be a certified hater. Ringtone goofy as fuck.
It's crazy.
Never mind, I hate him again.
Ruby?
I'm sure they're fine.
You think?
Probably a butt dial.
Team Ruby has always performed exceptionally in the field. We should be focusing on our own mission.
We're gonna be deputies!
I just got this feeling. I don't know.
Jean.
And y'all doubted your leader. He said some fuck shit was going on.
Yeah.
And y'all
He told
doubted
y'all what's
him.
up.
We're changing our mission.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sean! W leader! W leader!
Oh God. I'm fuck with you, John. Yeah, we're cooked.
Here we go. Finale fights!
Yes, sir.
Woo!
W. Damn. Oh my God. Yang.
God.
Woo. Get that Glock on him.
Woohoo!
Damn. I love these niggas so much. Ooh.
Oh!
Yeah, you're cooked. Yeah.
That's a bigger
Not
stuff.
not the bear again.
Okay, you're first, huh? Okay, no, that's fine.
Damn. Yeah, you better save my goat.
Oh!
Ooh, okay, John.
Oh, shit!
Wait. He got it cooking him. Oh, damn. I was about to say, didn't this boy not get hit?
He did
So never mind. Look at Pirate. She looked like such a dutiful girl. Hey, the boys.
it! They're
The
adorable.
boys.
They're adorable.
The boy. Oh, what is that? Laser cannon?
The airships were on standby.
True. Woo. The day is saved. Yay. No one died. Yes, sir. Where's the Ozpin, though? My boy?
Oh!
Ooh. Watch out, my nigga. Die jumping in. Hop.
Uh-oh.
Oh, no, they got hacked. No. Oh, no. I forgot. Didn't they get hacked?
No, man. Nah.
No, then she put the. Oh, okay. They're not hacked, right? They're not hacked.
They're not
right?
hacked. They're fighting the Grim.
Okay.
You're okay.
Okay.
I was just saying. I was about to just make the joke about Will Smith. That's all. I wasn't here to make the. I wasn't here to say oh no to because they're. No, I was just saying oh no because we made the Will Smith joke before. Now you good.
Okay. So I remember the lady. She put the virus in him. I was like, wait.
Oh yeah, she put the virus on the computer. Oh.
I don't know if that really uploaded to their system, but
Mhm.
it's only 5 minutes in too. We still got more of the episode. Oh. Ooh.
Woo!
Damn. Oh, her shit cool as hell. What the?
Yep.
Why is he gunning down the brim like that? Oh, Osmond, my boy. The dog too.
I just want to let you know, Ozpin is the white-haired guy with glasses.
I don't know why I keep saying Osmond. I'm saying, oh boy. I'm thinking, oh god.
No, it's
I'm
okay.
gonna keep calling him Osmond anyway. Fuck it.
Okay.
Wait, I'm gonna keep being wrong. You correct me. Look at Osmond go. Who the hell are they?
Team Coffee.
Oh yeah. I forget. I don't see him that much. Look at Osmond. Nice. Damn. Look at that Buster Sword. Oh, what is that? That weapon is crazy.
Woohoo!
Damn. Oh, he crazy with it. Oh my god. Damn. She got a purse as her weapon. That better be the purse weapon. Here we go.
My favorite clothing store.
Damn. I love you, Betty. Woo! Damn. I think I like her the most. Who is this? Damn.
The leader of Team Coffee.
Yeah. She ain't playing with nobody. Fuck. Throwing niggas with that baggage. All right, bad bitch. You got it. Damn. The hell? Oh, Gatling gun? Okay. That's tough. That's tough. That's tough.
Here to take you out. Ready to take you out.
Damn. Okay, Team Coffin. Yeah, I got it. I got it. Yeah, they got it. That boy got Ichigo's. My goat!
Two goats standing next to each other.
Oh, what are you about to do? Hit that trumpet with him. He got that musket blaster. He ain't playing. That chopper letter lane. Ooh. Baddie? Mommy?
Oh, she pissed.
Hey, come out, you damn Monic. Oh, she ready to. Ooh. You know what?
Yeah.
I thought she was about to do something else.
Ah, she
I
sealed
did
that
not
shit
think
back up.
Hey, watch the hat.
Friends, the betrayal about to hit crazy now. Damn. Damn. Thank God no one died. Whew. They be giving me too many death flags in this bitch. I ain't gonna lie.
You're out here sweating every episode.
I'm like, whew. We survived another season, boys. Let's go. No one dead.
For that, I'm going to be seriously disappointed.
Dude. Not even.
Stop them.
Yeah.
Teamwork, camaraderie, good guys, go team.
I fuck with the dog. Let's go.
So, what now?
Shop beach episode. Damn, never mind.
No, this is not Japanese anime where it's like, oh yes, put them all in skimpy bikinis and on a beach.
Let's go.
It's no, let's go
Come
the
on.
fuck to sleep. We are exhausted. We take a
After a
shower.
beach episode.
No.
There's so much episode left. Wait.
He hit the rock roll.
He don't give a fuck.
We have reached out to the Atlas Council, and together have decided that the best option is to appoint General Ironwood as head of security for the event.
Oh.
Yes. Man, shut your.
Oh, Ironwood, a first
you mean?
grade snake, bro. That shit's crazy. Because literally,
That's crazy. Reports, nigga.
literally, the other chick was
pushing-
like, "Hey, like you need to start having faith in like Ozpin. You need to start, giving trust to others to earn trust." And Ironwood's like, "Yeah, you right. Anyways, let me go snitch." Like,
Thank you, ass nigga. You probably gonna die next season, hopefully. Please die.
Move, Ozpin. I promise. I will.
You didn't trust me, gang. Why would I trust you?
yeah, exactly. You didn't trust shit, bitch.
You gonna get us all killed, bro. Goofy ass. I tried my best. Now, if you get assassinated right now, that'd be crazy. Don't look at the mirror like that. Oh, you're a bitch and a snake. Oh my god.
Mm-hmm.
You better not be helping the enemy secretly on the low.
Leave us.
Huh?
I've been informed that so
Woo.
far you've refused to cooperate with the authorities. I know this might be hard to believe, Jen. Isn't it obvious? You're looking at him. Very well then. Oh, wonderful.
Not according to your plan.
Oh.
Oh, Jesus.
Okay, I think the subtitles are also
You
racist.
see that? Fang?
It called them phonies. It called the faunus phonies in the
a
subtitles.
lot of phonies didn't make it.
Oh my god. Even the subtitles racist. Oh hell no.
I knew this shit. Just say the word, guys. Just say the word.
Just say the word.
Those tunnels. You still think the White Fang's gonna listen to us? No.
Who? No!
Listen to me.
I had dumb. Woo!
Damn it.
Alrighty.
We're cooked. We're cooked. We're so cooked. Yang? Where is she at? Oh, she's at school. Mommy? Mommy? Definitely mommy. The hell?
Who are you?
Mom? Ooh,
Yeah.
not mommy?
We have a lot to
Oh, it is mommy. That definitely is mommy. Look at her face.
Yep.
Same hair structure, yeah.
Yep. You right.
Damn, it was. Okay, mommy. Well,
How'd you like volume 2? How'd you like it?
shit just baited me with the death. It was always there. But I was scared it was gonna come at any moment. Now I don't know what to think. We're getting cooked, or they're marinating us for so long. Shit, when niggas do die, it's gonna be big. I don't like this. It's not gonna be no fun death. For a minute, I thought Pyra, or what's her name, was inside the cage with that dude. I was like, no way! I was like, wait, they caught him. That's even crazier. Why do they have him? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. Ironwood, bitch, certified op. Like, honestly, he might be the downfall of everybody at the end of the season, low key.
Yeah,
He gonna keep thinking he trying to protect somebody and he gonna get everybody cooked.
Yeah, he a piece of shit. He's too power
no
power
reason.
tripping. He's all I need control head ass. It's like, man, there's other
You have
people
the
working with
strongest
you.
Facts, like, I need the strongest military one. I'm like, shut up. Shut up. Ruby with the gun cooks you. Stop playing. You aren't that strong, buddy. That shit was fire though. I'm ready. I'm ready for more.
All right, well, thanks for watching, YouTube. We'll catch you later. I hope you enjoyed Volume 2 with us, and I hope you stick around for Volume 3. That's right, you can check it out here on the YouTube channel as we continue to upload the series, or check it out with early access over on the Patreon at AliciaXlife, link to the description below. Anyways, we'll catch you later. Bye!